This movie's about performance transpositions in Xpand, but I'm starting over here with the piano because I want you to be able to see the keyboard and see the voicing I'm talking about. This movie's dedicated to Aaron Copland, who invented some of the prettiest string parts ever. Let's say that this C is the root. The Copland voicing that I like so much is the E below that. So basically we've taken the third and dropped it down an octave. We're going to add a second. We're going to add the D right where the cursor is there. And we're going to add the G above that. So that's that gorgeous Aaron Copland string voicing. It sounds okay on the piano. It sounds great on strings. So let's jump over to strings and take a listen. So let's pull this down just a little bit. So what I've done is to take the concert hall string patch, which I got here, and that gives me the first iteration of big legato strings. And all I did to get what you see is added another one here by just navigating to 14 in strings, that very same big legato strings that it gave me at the beginning. So then, with 4 voices in place, let me jump over here and talk about the transpositions. Because I want to think of this as a C chord, even though it starts on E, the lowest note is E, so I could think of it as an E something. In my mind, the tonality is C, even though that lowest note is an E. So I took the lowest note and I took it down so that when I hit a C key on the MIDI keyboard, I actually hear an E below that on this first voicing. There's the C, the root note. There's the second, the D in this case, and there's the G, the fifth in this case, and they're all playing at the same time. I juggled the levels a little bit so that the root sticks out and that the lower note is a little bit buried in there. I want it there, but I don't want it to dominate. I kind of want the root to dominate. Here I have with one finger I have that beautiful chord with one finger. Earlier in this chapter, we talked about some tricks you can use if you don't have the greatest keyboard chops in the world. So I've tried to invent tricks like this so that I can play complicated phrases without being able to perform them. I call this a performance transposition. So you're hitting one key, but Xpand is doing a lot of work here in terms of your pitch transpositions to give you cool voicing with just one key. Now, I haven't yet done anything in terms of reverbs and stuff on these. I just wanted to show you how to set up the parts so that you can get a chord out of one key. Caution here on this chord. Once you get down below about middle C, it starts to get kind of murky. But it's great up high. So hope that helps you.